Our fifth experiment is implementation of binary trees and operation of binary trees. Here now we are going to see operation of binary trees. Okay, so here the traversals are one of the operation of binary trees. For implementing the program, open the terminal window. For typing the program, open the text editor window by using the command gedit. Then here our program is binary tree traversal. So put bt traversal.c. Okay, then text editor window will open. Type the program here. Students, in my program I create a binary tree in the main of function. Listen here. Here I consider 1 as a root node and I consider the left child of the root node 1 is 12 and right child is 9, and I insert one more element in the left of 12, that is 5. Okay, left of 12 is 5 and the right of 12 is 6. Then let's see how the traversals are performed in binary tree. Okay, so see this diagram. Here 1 is the root node and its left child is 12 and right child is 9. Then 12's left is 5, 12's right is 6 now. Okay, so here we are going to perform the traversals. We have three types of traversals: pre-order traversal, in-order traversal and post-order traversal. So let's see one by one by using this example. Okay, so pre-order means it's visit the root node first, then process the left child, then process the right. So first one root, then left, then right. So this is pre-order traversal. Okay, the next see the in-order traversal of binary tree. So in-order traversal means first process the left subtree, then visit the root node, then right. Okay, so in-order traversal means first you process the left, then visit the root, after that process the right subtree. Okay, so this is called in-order traversal. And the final one, post-order traversal, means first visit left, then right, then root. Okay, that means first visit the left subtree, then visit the right subtree, then root. Okay, so we will process now this traversal by using this diagram. Okay, let's see the diagram. Here I have elements 1, 12, 9, 5 and 6. So this is called binary tree because here each node having not more than 2 children. Okay, so one having 12 and 9 and 12 also having 5 and 6 alone. So the tree is not having more than 2 children. So this tree is called binary tree. Let's perform the pre-order traversal of that tree. Okay, so pre-order means first process the root, then left, then right. So here move from the top. So first one is root is 1. Okay, so write 1 first in pre-order. Then move to left. Okay, so pre-order means first root, then move to left. So now I moved left. In left I have 12. 12 is a root of 5 and 6. So write 12 in pre-order. Okay, then another move left. Now 12 is processed, 12 is a root. So next move 5. 5 is a left. Okay, then now root is processed, 5 is also processed, left side is also processed, then move to right. Right is 6. Now the left side of root 1 is completed. 1, 12, 5 and 6. So completed. So root is completed, left side is completed. So move to right now. Right is we have only one element 9. Okay. So now pre-order is completed. Then in order. In order means first process left, then process root, then process right. So first move to left. So 1 is not a root, not a left. So move to left. 12 is also a root of 5 and 6. so move to left, so write 5 first. Okay, so left is finished, then process the root. So root means 5's root is 12, so to write 12, then process right. So right side of that 12 is 6, then write 6. Now left side is completed, then process the root. Root here is 1. Then root of 12 5 6 is 1, so I write 1, then move to right is 9. Okay, now the in order is completed, then perform the post order. Post order means left, right and root. So first move to left, one first start from the root. So 1 is the root, so move to left. 12 is also root, then move left, then 5 write 5 first, write 6, then 12, then 9 and final 1. Okay, then move to the terminal window and compile the program. So gcc -o, then program name bt traversal dot and program name bt traversal dot c. Okay, then run the program dot slash executable file name is here pt traversal. So it display the in order, pre-order and post-order traversal of our tree. So 5, 12, 6, 1 and 9. We get the same answer in our display. Okay, so this is the binary tree traversals of our tree. Okay, thank you students. Thank you so much.